the reason I love cardio so much is because it probably is one of the best teachers for discipline. You have to overcome this inner demon every time, every second. Basically, it's a 1 second decision to not quit and keep pushing and go further. I learned that you need to have a goal set because otherwise it's gonna be even harder to push through, because without a goal you have no motivation to push through basically. How do you know what the inputs are when you don't even know what the output should be? And it's the same thing everywhere, in business and sports. Yeah, just keep working towards a better version of myself every day.
I CBA, so I'm not even talking. You want my ETA? I ain't left just yet, I'm starting.
It's so hot.
I left my laptop at home.
I left my laptop in my apartment, yeah. But as soon as we came in here, I was like, fuck, where's my laptop? But now,
Can happen, right?
now we got it. Now we can deep dive into the tasks we have on this bad boy. This camera, it's Dominic's camera. This thing is a beast. Bro, like you can shoot such nice content with it. Presets on there, you can build the presets however you want to build them, or you can shoot it in RAW. I love this camera. I'll take it. It's mine now. I'm just joking, but it's so nice. I think I need to get this one. With this thing, you can really shoot film content, like the pictures, like my thumbnails and the pictures I'm gonna drop on my Instagram soon are all shot on this thing. So I really recommend you that. It's Fujifilm, and yeah, as I said, a real beast.
You had me going from the day we met. Made so many memories I can't forget. Always thinking of the times we spent, but I don't want to.
What's up, man?
I don't trust my barber because I don't know him yet, so. Bro, wir gehen jetzt zum Friseur, also kommst du mit oder gehst du am Abend? Bis gleich, ciao.
Look at the nice British racing green in the same color. Cullinan. God damn.
Yeah. Fresh edit. Back with the fresh
fade.
sides there.
They look really clean, man. For real. Shush.
Looks good.
Looking sharp, man.
We just talked about how much impact nice weather has on your energy, because in here in Dubai you can see it's like almost every day like that, no clouds, super sunny, 25 degrees. And back in Austria now, it's almost like your eyes are in S-Log.
Yeah.
If you don't know what S-Log is, this is what S-Log is. And this is what color grading is. So yeah, it almost feels like you're in S-Log with your eyes the whole time if you're in Austria.
What's up, little buddy?
with her ears.
Hi. Are you gonna go for a run?
Yeah, I'm gonna go for a run. And you guys go to the desert, right?
Yes, sir.
Is there a third person there?
Yeah.
Let's get. Jeremy, you hyped for the desert?
Yes, let's go for another run.
Sparring, I CBA, so I'm not even talking. You want my ETA? I ain't left just yet, I'm stalling. Still gonna come through, shake that back. Still gonna eat me up like Marlins. I just get paid, I'm boring. Nowadays I shoot, I'm scoring.
Hast du gern, dass dann immer projektbasiert arbeiten oder sagst du, ist das? So one of my closest friends, Maxi, who came with us to Dubai in October, when we went back to Dubai and got our apartments, he decided to move to Dubai as well, which is quite amazing. He's the funniest guy ever. He's a meme, right? He's just a meme. And he just got his moving permit today, and now we're gonna go over and check out his new apartment.
What floor is he?
Which floor is he? 20th?
I think 20.
Same as me, actually.
Ja, man sieht's, man. Alter, Bro. Au.
Das ist schon krass, gell? Ist schon krass.
Yeah, it's krass. Oh, you can see here. Bro, view is something nice here.
Meine Couch links oder rechts zu machen soll. Scheiße, ist immer noch so. Ich würde hier. Ich weiß nicht. Oh, this is actually insane because if you look over there, you see?
Ah, this is
The
your
smaller one,
yeah.
this is my tower, and I'm on the 20th floor.
Yeah.
And this one is the 20th floor as well. And if you look down here, it looks so much higher.
It is actually really high, yeah.
I don't know.
Ah,
why
yeah.
it is.
But here the view is really Fucking sick.
It's a game changer because you have the park view,
Yeah.
like the central park view, same as we have. But you also have the whole skyline. You almost have the Burj Khalifa as well, and you have the water. So you basically see everything you need. Like that's crazy.
I wanna
You have
see it
both
one
the
day.
address towers. It's amazing. It's like I don't know if there's even a better view in the whole creek.
Yeah.
It's crazy. And if you look over there, this whole thing, out there, after the buildings, all of that is gonna be built up with like buildings everywhere. So basically, whole creek is called Dubai Creek Island. Whole creek is only done at like 20%. So when everything is done, all the area that you see out there that is currently dark is gonna be all towers.
This one right there, right here.
Was ist der neue Herr, Alter? Ist der schon persischer Teppich?
Und das passt dann auch perfekt rein.
Ja, den hast du gut ausgewählt.
Ist der cool oder ist der scheiße?
Das ist geil. Das ist cool.
Das ist cool, man!
But what is a game room, man? Oh, nice!
Yeah,
Now we play a tournament.
Aber spiel nicht!
Oh, kannst du mal.
Hey!
I just had this thought of a quote which goes, if you're in a bad mood for no reason, you can also be in a good mood for no reason. And I really think that it's true, because sometimes you're just not in a good mood and it doesn't even have to have a reason. It's just how your state of mind is. But I think it's super important to catch yourself and be aware of your emotions and be able to change them by breathing, by taking a walk, by listening to good music, by looking at the things that are actually good and are actually working out in your favor, because your mood is going to influence your sleep. It's going to influence your productivity, your focus, how you talk to other people, how you influence other people, because I try to give people a better experience when they are in my surrounding than when they are not. And also, like, all those struggles and failures are part of life, and I think this is how you learn and this is how you grow. Like in sports, I was doing dirt bikes pretty much my whole youth. You're gonna fall every now and then, but you're going to look at what you did wrong, and you're going to make it better the next time, and then you're going to learn. And I think this is the same thing in life, in business, in sports, everywhere. But I think it's super important to let things that are not in our control take over our emotional state of mind too much, because then we are just victims of everything that happens in this fast-paced world and life, right? So yeah, I think this is going to be a good end for the video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoy the content. If you have any questions, just drop them down below. I'm happy to answer some questions. And I would appreciate you subscribing to the channel. And other than that, I'll see you in the next video.